Hi friends, this is Nitin Kulkarni from Xmetric Solutions Private Limited. Welcome to the F5 Big IP LTM configuration series, and in this video we are going to see how to backup and restore Big IP configuration file by using configuration utility, that is GUI interface, and by using the command line. This is the setup of having a Big IP LTM box, and there is a management PC 192.168.10.11 and management IP is 192.168.10.245. There are few web servers which are configured for the load balancing, and there are virtual servers vs http a vs https underscore a. So few virtual servers along with some pools are configured on this big IP system. There are some self IP floating IPs for internal VLAN as well as external VLAN has been configured. Now what we are going to do is we are going to log in through the this management PC to the F5 by using a graphical user interface, and we want to create a backup. So when we create a backup, we are basically creating a UCS file which is called as a user configuration set, and a UCS archive is a compressed file which contains all the configuration files which are typically required to restore the current configuration to the same system or to the new system in case of RMA. So these files are which contains into the UCS files all big IP specific configuration files, big IP product license, user accounts and password information, SSL certificates and keys. So all the big IP specific configuration files like your bigip.conf, bigip underscore base.conf, bigip.license. So all these files will get stored into the UCS file. Now this UCS file can be stored on a big IP or can be downloaded to the PC. Now backing up configuration data using the configuration utility, that is a GUI. So the steps are log into the big IP, navigate through the system archives, and from archive page we can you can click on the create, give the file name, name of the backup file, and by default this file gets stored into the UCS file, gets stored into the /var/local/UCS directory. Click on the finished button, status screen will appear. Click on the OK. Now this UCS file you can keep on the F5 box or you can download it to the system. So let us jump on it. So log into the F5 big IP, HTTPS 192.168.10.245. 245 username is admin and password is admin. By default username is admin and password is admin. Log into this box. You can see here there are few virtual servers are configured. There are some pools are also configured. Now we need to take the backup. So navigate through the system, click on the system, go to the archives, and you can find there two tabs, upload and create. Now as we want to create a backup, just click on the create, give the proper naming convention, big IP underscore LTM underscore 3600 underscore say 12th May 2012. So timestamp, the date and timestamp will be a good option. So let's give this name. Encryption, if you click on enable, so you can give the passphrase to secure this configuration file. When you want to restore this file back, at that time you need this passphrase. So disable it. So big IP LTM UCS file, click on the finish, saving active configuration. Okay, and here is the backup file which is generated, a UCS file which is generated on big IP LTM box. Now if we want to take this backup into our system, just click on this file and you will find a tab, download big IP LTM 3600.ucs file. Click on this and you can save this UCS file wherever you want. So let us save it onto the desktop, big IP LTM.ucs. So you can see here, so here is the UCS file which has been created. Now let us see how to backup by using the command line utility. So first log into the command line and you can give the command big pipe config save and the file name, or big config save and file name. This command will create a backup UCS file, and it will save the file again in the same directory /var/local/UCS. This UCS file through a command line you can copy to the another system by using a program SCP, secured copy, or you can say PSCP, or by using a FTP. Let us log into the F5 by using SSH 192.168.10.245. Port number is 22. Open. Root is the default username, and password is default. Now we are into the config directory. You can click on ls. So these are the files which are available into the config directory. Let us go to the cd /var/local/ucs list. You can see here there is a big IP underscore LTM underscore 3012th May 2012 UCS file has been created, which we created by using a graphical user interface GUI. Now let us create by using the command line bconfig save and the file name. Say big IP underscore LTM underscore 3600 underscore 13th May 2012. Saving active configuration, and it is saved. Give the ls, and you can see here. So this is the first file, and the one which we created 13th May is here. Now this file, if you want to take backup to the other system by using the command line, you can use SCP program, or by using a FTP you can upload this file. Now to restore the file, suppose if you want to restore the file, go to the system archives, and okay, now you can see 12th May and 13th May, both the files are there. Means the one which we created from the command line also is showing into the graphical now. Now suppose if you want to restore this file, say 12th May file, click on that, and there you will find the option of restore. If you are restoring into the same box, it will get activated once you reboot the box. Now you can restore this file in case of a RMA, in case of a new box. If you want to restore this file, so you can do it by you can configure the new box with management IP, and you can click on the upload, and you can give the file name which we created. Okay, big IP LTM UCS file, and you can click on upload. But when you upload this file, which contains the license of the original box, into the new box, right, you will get error or license here. In that case, we need to relicense the box, and the configuration will remain as it is. Okay, thanks for viewing this, and I request you to visit www.xmetricsolutions.com and give your feedback and suggestions if any. Thank you.